So now we're to the point where we can actually start adhering everything down in place. We can go ahead and use hot glue or some sort of other adhesive to hold that temperature sensor in, or in this case it's going to be covered up with the panel, so we can just use a little piece of tape to make sure it doesn't move around on us while we get everything laid in on top. Next thing we'll do is we'll figure out our wire routing, make sure that all fits, and the panel and everything lines up how we want. What I usually do here is tape the one end near the pockets so that it'll stay in place while we do our other attaching here. And then working from the pocketed end to the other end of the panel, we will use our spray adhesive. Put our panel down. Oftentimes the end of the panel tries to curl up from the way they're rolled when they're shipped, so don't be afraid to use a little bit of tape to hold the ends of that down so that it'll stay down as the adhesive dries. For our wire routing, you can either use hot glue to hold them in place or just tape direct over the top of them, because all you're really doing is holding the panel, or the wires down so that they will stay in place until the flooring is placed over top. If you're going to use a floating floor, you'd be putting a vapor barrier over the top of this to protect the panels from the floor as it floats back and forth over the top. If you were doing a glue down or stick down floor, you'd be able just to lay down right over the top of this.